Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and the biometric device serial. This matters because Cfms verifies identity before changes. Once logged into the Cfms admin portal, navigate directly to devices to avoid intermediate menus. Make sure the device is powered and on the same network as the Cfms server, otherwise registration fails. Now select the existing device entry you want to change. Do not delete it yet, because preserving configuration fields simplifies mapping to the new hardware. Once you edit the device entry, update network parameters like IP, subnet, and the correct model so Cfms applies proper drivers. Upload the device certificate or paste the authentication token if the device uses mutual TLS. That step ensures secure communication. Next, map templates and user groups to the new device. This preserves enrollments. While saving, monitor the Cfms log window for failed bindings. If there's a firmware mismatch, Cfms will flag driver incompatibility. Apply recommended firmware first. Save the configuration and push the new settings to the biometric unit. This triggers a handshake and replication of templates. Then perform a test enrollment and an authentication check using a dedicated test user to validate match thresholds and latency. Make sure replication completed across redundancy nodes if applicable. If the device fails, revert to the previous config using the rollback snapshot you created before changes. Also inspect Cfms and device logs for TLS or template sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.